this is the Borgata. This is just the lobby and entryway. Hey guys, this is the Borgata, and if I'm correct, this is a classic king room. This is room 2122. You got a key card down here, that's what I was playing with. Okay, here is the bathroom though. Like, look at this. I have to zoom out so you can see all of its full glory. Look at that. Tile everywhere and everything. It's just sleek, fresh, very nice. And then I like the idea that they put the towels in the shower. That's kind of comforting. So I don't have to like step on the tile and get my feet cold and wet and everything. Ooh, got some niceties over here. Got some shampoo, moisturizer. Well, no, moisturizer, hair wash, body wash, and cream rinse. Not sure what that is, but we're going to go with that. There's your hair dryer up there. Now, what I don't see is that little mirror for makeup. So I really don't see that here, which is kind of different. But that's okay. Can make do. Marble. Oh, yeah, it's marble tile. It's pretty nice. Seat in there, stand up shower, very spacious. And here's the bathroom off to the side. You push that back, find the button. Even put a speakerphone in here. The toilet of the wonder. Cool little picture. Don't think there's anything. Yeah, no, there's nothing else behind the door. Bathroom's not bad. Echoes, though. Definitely echoes. The hallways are kind of dark, though. Just saying. Not bad little space here. Comes with a wall safe and everything. Hangers and an iron. Awesome, awesome. Then for the actual living space here, king size bed. So these light fixtures, there is no like main power light. So you gotta like spin this here. That's what I don't like. So it gets lighter and darker. Apparently that one says there's ghost in here. I'm gonna show you what I mean, guys. So if you pull it too far, every time I touch it, it shocks me. Look, see? Ghosts. Because that's not me. It's just like freaking out. Just kidding. Looks like it's a short circuit type of situation. But here's the rest of the room, though. I don't have a couch. I just have this chair. Looks comfortable. Can lounge in it very well. A desk for me if I would like to use it. Nice view out the window of the parking lot. So as I'm in Atlantic City, the strip is way over there. Yeah. But still more of the roofs. We'll see what it looks like in the morning. I'll take a picture for y'all. But the room does not look bad. But there are no other lights in the ceiling. This is it. Besides that light right there. I got this coffee pot. Apparently it's the same type of... Okay, so this one does not work. Yeah, this one does not work. Okay, so coffee pot. And then it gave me not Starbucks. Knockoff Starbucks is what it looks like. Condiment kit. Ice container. Some sleek drawers to put my stuff away. And a Samsung TV. It's not really a bad space. I'm impressed. Very, very modern. compared to Beau Rivage being classic and trying to upgrade and come out of like the 17th century, looks good.